Okay, in this video, we're going to be multiplying binomials using FOIL. FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last. Okay, so I want to show you something. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this x, we're going to multiply it against this one. So that's where the first comes in. So the first, which is the first of each of these parentheses, which would be x times x. Okay, now what we're going to have is the outside. So here is the f, right? Now the outside is going to be these. The x first multiplied against the x, now it's multiplying against the -6. So x times -6, okay? Now inside, which is the I, is going to be, and I'm going to use a different color for here, I'll use red. Inside would be the inside two numbers, so this 5 times this x, that would be the inside. Five times x. And now the L stands for last, which would be the two last numbers in both of the parentheses here. So this would be the L, and that would be 5 times -6. Now we can multiply and get this thing going. Let me not forget to write last. This is the inside, this is the outside, this is the first. X times x is going to give me x to the second power. X times -6 is going to give me -6x. 5 times x is going to give me positive 5x. 5 times -6 is going to give me -30. The only things I have to combine here is these two. -6 plus 5x. So my answer is going to be, bring the x squared down, -6 plus 5 is just going to give me a -1x, a -x, and then -30, okay? And I can always check this problem out because I can do the math here. If I have 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6 is going to give me the middle number, which is -1. Then 5 times -6 gives me the -30. And this is how I know I did my FOIL correctly, okay? This is the first problem. Now what I want to do is I want to do a different one, which is the problem I have over there, okay? So let me rewrite that over here, which is 3x plus 3 times 3x plus 5, okay? And I can erase this here. Now remember what I said. This 3x is going to multiply by that 3x right there first. So I'm going to have 3x times 3x. That's the first. Now, I'm going to multiply against this -5. 3x times +5, not -5, +5. 3x times +5. Now, I'm going to use the 3 to find the rest of my stuff. This 3 times this 3x. And then I'm going to have the last, which is 3 times the +5. And now this is where I can start to put it together. 3 times 3 is going to be 9x, and x is x squared. Here 3x times 5, 3 times 5 is 15, and then just bring the x down. Same thing here, 3 times 3 is just 9, and then bring the x down. 3 times 5 is 15, okay? Now, like I said in the FOIL, the only things is the middle are going to go together. So I'm going to have 9x squared, 15 plus 9 is going to give me 24x plus the 15. So this is going to be my final answer. This is how you do the work. I would suggest that people do this so you can always look back at your work. If you made a mistake, you can always use your fingers and go through it, okay?